Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Turning on the tap and suddenly getting cold water instead of hot water can be frustrating, especially when your AO Smith water heater seemed to be working fine before. In some cases, the water may feel only slightly warm, while other times there may be no heat at all. This kind of issue can happen because of power interruptions, thermostat settings, gas supply changes, or simple system delays that are easy to overlook. Before assuming there is a major problem, there are a few quick things worth checking because many heating issues can come from small settings or connection changes. Let's go through several simple steps that may help your AO Smith water heater start heating again. Try these. Step 1. Check the temperature setting on the AO Smith water heater and make sure it is not set too low. Step 2. Inspect the power source connected to the AO Smith water heater if it uses electricity. Step 3. Confirm water is flowing normally through the AO Smith water heater without interruption. Step 4. Look at the control panel on the AO Smith water heater for any unusual indicators or settings. Step 5. Allow the AO Smith water heater a little time to warm the tank after making adjustments. Step 6. Test hot water from a faucet and check whether the AO Smith water heater begins heating normally again.